Chris Rock applesauce. I have a crazy sun glare in my eye. That's okay. That'll make things interesting. It's been a while, folks. How have you been? I've been well, listening to a lot of music, keeping my head down, transitioning into winter 2025, although I am hot. Hopefully my beloved bunny keeps hopping around me throughout this whole video, doing minimal damage to what I'm going to show you, which is a bunch of records. I have 4 today. Count them. Let's just make sure the hair is still hair. I just woke up. You've got pajamas. You've got Gina spaced out the fit, gray sweats. You know what that is. This video comes after a lot of back and forth with myself inside my head about making one or not making one. I had a stack of 10 LPs that I generally intended to put into a video, but my computer stopped cooperating with me, and I kind of got lazy. This video comes as a special request from a friend and a family, if you know what I mean. Shout out Toby, Rachel, and Madonna out in Left Coast, baby. Let's see what we got first. Oh! Rilo, Kiley, The Execution of All Things. And if you're well, then I'm happy some for you. Now this is a special edition. It's the Frozen Lake edition, originally released by Saddle Creek in 2002. Now, if you've been here before with me, you know I'm a big Jenny head. I'm a Jenny head, and that is Jenny Lewis of Rilo Kiley. So I did open this already, got a quick peek at it, but then put it on the shelf. Here we are gonna explore. It's a nice gatefold, which means, oh, and that's cool. So inside is expanded art and lyrics, which we love as children of the 2000s. We love a lyrics sheet. My dog is going to be chewing everything. So it is a single LP. We have some pepper. What is this? Oh, is it giant? Is it giant poster? Is it giant poster? Oh yeah, cool. Like our early 2000s selves, we love a poster moment. Whenever I get a poster in a record, I'm like, I'm gonna leave it pristine inside the record sleeve so my kids can put it up in their room. All of these records are for my kids, by the way. I don't have any human children yet, or you know, nieces and nephews. I have a few of those. Whoever wants them will get them after my time here. I keep it in mind when I slide a new one onto the shelf. I'm like, this is for someone else. Anyway, the Frozen Lake edition, which is a nod to the line in The Good That Won't Come Out, track 1. Really nice. Clear, a little bit translucent with some wispy, you know, ice features to it, qualities. Inshallah, it sounds good. Can't wait to pop this on. Next. Oh, all right, let's just get it over with. Rosalía, Lux. I'm going to try not to overdo it here, but when I realized she was releasing a new album, I think it was like a week and a half before it came out, I was like, oh, that's great. You know, it's been since 2002, since Motomami, and that album has been like in my top 5 every year for the past 2 or 3 years. So I'm like, when's she giving us a new one? Saw it was coming out. I had the little countdown going. Then it was the day. The day arrived. I saw that there was still like 6 hours left on the countdown. So then I like looked at, I realized that she's doing the midnight in Spain. So Spanish Grammy award-winning singer Rosalía's new album Lux is perfect and incredible. Album of the decade for sure. Album of the century, probably. I'm literally sick of hearing about it on the internet already. Came out, I want to say maybe 3 weeks ago as an estimate as of the time of this recording. My partner's sick of hearing about it. Not really. It's beautiful, so anytime it's playing, we both enjoy it, and so does everyone else. But my point is that it is so perfect and so beautiful that it's almost too much. You know, it's almost like annoying. I would have been listening to it every single day since it came out if it didn't have that overwhelmingly rich quality to it. Knowing all the little, you know, bits and facts about it, like she sings in 13 languages on here. It's meant to be experienced, you know, front to back while reading the lyrics and listening to it really loud, like in the dark or something. It's just a lot, you know? I have my favorite tracks. Reliquia. La Yugular. Mi Cristo Piange Diamante. Those are like my current faves. Hurricane is great. I mean, I'm not going to go on and on about the specific tracks. Look, let's take a look at the vinyl. Oh, one of my sisters, Jamie, and her partner were just in Spain, casually. And I asked them to say what's up to Rosalía, but they didn't run into her. And then I asked them to grab a couple copies of the Spanish release while they were there and give one to me. I don't think they realized how serious I was about that. Either way, it didn't happen, and they owe me that. Let's open this up. Look at this. Lord God. Oh my God. Mi Cristo. Very religious album. This is a very religious album. It's about women saints, femme saints throughout cultures and history, and it's super God-y, you know? But if you hear her talk about it and about her relationship with God, it's beautiful. And I have one now, one of those, and I think sometimes you reach a point in your life when you form a relationship with God, and whatever that means, you know? And then whatever. That's all I'll say about that. Like, I don't even believe in God, but I have a relationship with God, you know, in a way. Whether that's through music, other people's relationship with God and how they express that and how I relate to their expression of their relationship with God. Or you know, myself, my relationship with myself. This is all what I mean. Anyway, these come in funny plastic sleeves. I don't really want to take it out right now until I play a little bit of it. Oh, but the vinyl version has 3 extra tracks. 3 extra tracks, which I haven't heard yet. It's like, come on, buy the vinyl, there's 3 extra tracks. Yes, they'll probably be released digitally at some point on a deluxe version or something, because she did that with Motomami. Looks really good. She usually does a lot of fun packaging here. Yeah, let's see. Because I do have her other stuff on vinyl, on the plastic wax. So I have 3. The only one I'm missing now is her very first album, Los Angeles, which is too beautiful to exist in this world. If you find one on vinyl for me, please let me know. They're like $700. So we have a really thick poster of lyrics, or a, looks like it's going to be a fun fold out. Oh, tell me this folds out into like a cross. Yo, bro, how did I know? I don't know. I don't know about this. It's funny. It's a little campy. It's a little on the nose. I think it's good because it's for moments like this when you open it up and you just stop talking about God and then this happens to you. Woo! It's funny. Yeah, I like it. And then it's like cute. You'll have to see this for yourself because these are beautiful photos of Rosalía and company. Wow. I like that. That's actually cool. I think that's actually cool. God damn it. Okay, we do the bottom. The bottom goes up first. Up, left, right, top. Feels right. We'll put that beautiful bitch back in there. And then, okay, looks like that's it. Good. Rosalía. She really put herself on the map. In some categories of some Billboard charts somewhere, I think she beat Taylor Swift, which is cool to hear, cool to see, because TS is just like a relentless money beast millionaire. She's Mr. Beast. Disgusting. Sorry. I'm going to wind that back a little bit. I don't think you can compare them, so I'm not comparing them, but just the way that TS thinks about money and charts and stats is gross, and that's all she thinks about. And this person here is actually making art. So yeah, I hope I didn't like over recommend it to you, but listen to it. Give it a full 40-ish minutes, 50 minutes of your time. Give it a shot, no matter what you're into. I think you're going to be hearing about this either way. Next we have Tilt by Confidence Man. I'm really excited about this record because somehow Confidence Man is going to be my first or second most listened to artist of 2025. This is my first record of theirs that I have added to my collection. First, I want to draw attention to, it's nice matte caging. It's super, what does it make you think of just right off the bat, right? The 90s, the 1990s, the 1990s, folks. And yeah, it kind of sounds like that too. When I first heard them, I was like, oh, what like clubby 90s band is this? They're contemporary. I get the feeling they're about to release their next album. This is from, 2022. And then they have one after that. And then they, I think, are about to release another one now. They're having a moment right now. Let's take a look at this. Fun. So this band is comprised of 2 people, guy and a girl, much like bands of the 90s. Aqua, Ace of Base, how they're structured, you know, the guy-girl vocals, vocal exchange. All songs written, engineered, and arranged by Confidence Man. Confidence Man are Janet Planet, I'm having fun when I'm messing with my toy boy, Sugar Bones, Are you in? Are you out? Are you in? Are you out? Reggie Goodchild, and Clarence McGuffey. So Janet, Planet, and Sugar Bones are the two front people of. This is a really cool typeface. It says Confidence Man. I like that a lot. Let's take a look at the big old poster. It's great. People are including big posters in their records, but who's putting posters up? Oh, cool. Who's putting posters on their walls besides my kids? This is huge, bro. Chat, look how big. And like mostly black ink, right? Expensive stuff. So I'm gonna fold this up again. Fold up this again, up again. Set that aside. We're gonna take a look at the record. I think it's a fun color. I want it to be green, but it might be yellow. Ooh, we have a download code. A relic of the past. Don't look at me like that. I love you. Ah, cool. Yeah, I like it. Oh, these colors are great. Somebody put a lot of thought into this, yeah? It's like a little bit of a hot yellow, not exactly warm. It's hotter. It's hot. It's cool. It's actually a cooler color, but it's like a hot yellow, like a neon or neon yellow. I love this band. I love this band. Favorite tracks are She's Coming to Eat the Cardboard. Come here, babe. Biddy, come. Biddy, come here. Attention span of a goddamn rabbit. Toy Boy. Toy Boy. Crazy, sexy, cool. This bitch got a jewel toy. You know how to, you know. Loving You Is Easy. That song that makes Tim Robinson's character go absolutely crazy in the movie Friendship, they play it twice. I get away every day, my holiday, I'm getting paid. It's called Holiday. This is so fun. I got into this stuff earlier this year at the same time as finally discovering LaRue. Remember that 2014 stuff? LaRue? I'm not going to play any right here because I don't have any, but the LaRue song, Sexotech, and whatever the first one is on that album. So fun. That and this, in my mind, went together beautifully, but I ended up listening to this a lot more. Confidence Man. Whenever I play this, my partner Kelly calls me Confidence Boy, and I say, thank you. Thank you, honey. So I got one more for us. And this is a doozy. Let me start by saying I was advertised to by a company on Instagram. They seem to be a small business. They're called Waxwork Records. And what they do is put out visually pleasing versions of cult classic movie soundtracks, things like that, like maybe like reissues of like metal bands or, you know, not a lot of stuff that I actually like to listen to, but the records look great, you know? So when I saw this, I jumped at the chance to order it. The Thing soundtrack to the movie. Ennio Morricone, remastered for vinyl, so it's gonna sound good. Art by Phantom City Creative, whatever that is. Trapped Under Ice, colored vinyl. Old style tip-on jacket. 11 by 22 poster and booklet. I hope that's inches. Breakaway ice slipcase. This was literally $100, but here's what happened. I ordered it in January. And it never came. I keep a spreadsheet of the records that I ordered. And I noticed this one was moving down and it was still red. Didn't arrive. No ETA, no confirmation shipping email. Every time I saw one of their Instagram posts, I'd be like, hey, that's awesome. What about the Thing record? And they would never answer. So I think what I did was eventually, like after 8 months, I went to their website and did like a little customer service email. And then 2 days later, it arrived. I don't know if that was them being like, whoa, shit, you know, or what, but it came. Little bit of a bad taste in my mouth about waiting for it and them not responding via the method of my original choosing. And I had to escalate a little bit just to get a response. But after that, it came promptly and we're going to open it together right now. It's still in the Plaus Tech. This is not going to fit in a PVC protector sleeve. And I want to keep the sticker. I'll figure this out later. Anyway. It's so hokey. It's kind of hokey, right? This is like as thick as, it reminds me of like a children's book. Oh, God. And then this, we have a perfectly good looking, regular, normal gatefold. This looks great. I didn't know that this would look like this inside. Not sure if that's focusing for you. It just says Waxwork up top, up bottom, WW027, indicating this may be their 27th release ever, this company, which means they're probably new, right? John Carpenter's The Thing, music composed and conducted by Ennio Morricone. I actually just saw a TikTok this morning about this movie, how the Norwegian guy at the very beginning who's like shooting at them and the dog literally says it's pretending to be a dog, it's a thing, and then shooting. Like somebody was like, if I was Norwegian, I would have gotten that movie spoiled for me right at the beginning. One thing's for sure, the rabbit will bite. Things she's not supposed to. So, gatefold, nice and thick. No, baby, no. I'm so sorry. I want to play with you. Come here. Thick cardboard gatefold. Here's my thing. She's pretending to be a thing. She's a rabbit pretending to be a thing. Really thick stuff here. Nothing in there. Little booky book. Oh, this is nice. But you know, it's weird that none of the original artists had anything to do with it. Just a thing. This is just like a thing. It's mostly white. It's kind of a waste of paper. Nothing inside. Would rather it be a giant cross. But it's not. It's just a line. This is kind of cool. It's like a drawing. It's like a drawing. Or something. It's like a drawing. And we have it. So this is going to be the fun part, right? Oh, wow. There it is. Again, like a frozen, it's like the Rilo Kiley Frozen Lake edition. This is another frozen lake. I wonder which more lake is frozener, this one or the Rilo Kiley record lake. Good. It's good design. I like this. The main thing that got me interested in watching this Waxwork Records Instagram account was because they put the colored plastic beads in the machine and yoink the thingy down and it goes, and then you get this, you know? I always like watching that. Whole lot of dang packaging. We'll see how it sounds. Want a cookie? That's my good girl. Oh yeah, Kelly made me these dividers. This has IJ on it, so I can kind of quickly eyeball where I'm alphabet, and that's a really cool and easy idea and beautiful. Biddy does remove them from the shelf whenever she wants to. Anyway, guys, I hope we're all semi-surviving. I hope we're all circuit surviving out there. I hope we're all doing better than Circuit City out there. I hope everyone's. Go on Spotify, search Sound of Mind 16. It's the one we just put out December 1st, 3 days ago, as of this recording. And it's one of the best yet. Pop it on, give it a follow, and stay tuned for a new Sound of Mind playlist by me and Ian every first of the month. Have a wonderful day. And remember, if you see somebody slip on the ice right in front of you, you're definitely going to slip too.